name's Royston Kent. I'm one of the owners and co-founders of BNC Plastics. At BNC Plastics, we design, develop and manufacture plastic injection molded products. So in essence, we're a product development company with a manufacturing facility just next door to our offices. And we take ideas and concepts and turn them into reality. We help Luise and Felix with their project, understanding the design implications that were required to make an injection molded product. After prototyping, and Luise and Felix, they'd found their own unique material, this recycled ocean polymer. And effectively, after we'd tooled up from this point, we then did some trials and we then tested the fins accordingly on how much glass and how rigid we need to actually make the product.